When you get the product, please do not remove the 3M adhesive protection paper first. Measure the gap in the door. The gap needs to be greater than 0.46 inches to install. Test results. The gap at the door is larger than the thickness of the door lock. Press the buttons on both sides at the same time to open the flap. Test to see if it stops the sliding door from sliding. Wrong direction of installation. Install the window locks in a higher position so that children can't unlock them. Clear the glass and start the installation. Remove the 3M adhesive protection paper. Unlocking method: one hand press both sides buttons, same time, other hand press panel. First with the bottom 3 meters glue with detergent. Pull a string up and down the door. Separate 3M adhesive from glass. Remove a small amount of adhesive residue from the surface. Then scrape off the residue with a knife.